Okay, guys. Let's bring on here for today. I know you didn't expect that. Me too, I didn't too. But I realized that if I treat the concept of time and price with you guys, and I combine it with liquidity on chart, then boom. So I think it's
recording in progress.
I think it's better that way. Let me treat the concept of time and price with you guys, then with liquidity and on chart. So we'll continue tomorrow, same time. I promise you it's going to be interesting. And come next week, you are going to smash the hell out of these markets. So that will be all for today. If you have any question, you can ask now. Let's just chit chat for some time. Then I'll call it a day. I hope you guys found the session on liquidity interesting though. And you can go to your chat and start checking things out though.
Yes,
or you can always wait for application tomorrow too. Any question, guys? Don't worry. The 3 trade setup I was talking about, I will show it to you tomorrow. You will open your mouth wide open. Yeah, 3 setups. I can guarantee you 10% daily. You're welcome. So no question, I suppose. You're welcome, guys. Signals.
Signals.
Alright, if you want to take a screenshot, do that now as I would clear the screen. You're welcome. You're welcome. See, Bradley's not here. Alright, no question. And if you still have challenges with supply and demand, levels, don't worry, just wait for top-down analysis. It's going to blow your mind. Alright, so catch you guys tomorrow, same time. Let's smash it, guys. Love you all. Bye.
Thank you, boss. Bro, I really appreciate it.
You're welcome.
Enjoy the rest of your week. That was it cool?